today is November the 13th, 2012. What are you doing, Andrew?
I'm making some rope out of this binder's twine. When the pioneers lived, you had to spin this thing around and have the binder's twine all in those hooks. And then when you turn this around, it twists it up. And then the guy at the end over there holds it in this stuff a rope thing, so when it gets all the way over there, it turns into a nice big thick rope.
Neat.
Now it
Wow.
nice.
Can you give Timothy a little turn?
Yep.
Okay, keep twisting. What are you doing, Timothy?
Now I'm doing it.
You're making rope, too. Well, that's a big job, isn't it?
Yeah.
Take somebody to twist it, the man on the end to hold it, the other guy in the middle to keep it held. Big job. Wow. Well, thanks for making rope, guys.